Hola, Mrs. Bass here with your directions for today's class plan. Okay, I get distracted sometimes when I'm recording my videos. Let's go to the side so I don't get distracted. Okay, so this is our class plan. So the first thing you're going to do, well, you're going to report your attendance and you're going to go to your actividad inicial. You're going to complete this activity. When I open this activity, it takes me to this one. It's some useful words that you have been learning and you're supposed to know from the vocabulary too. Let's just close in our vocabulary. Then you're going to submit a screenshot on the photo. You already know how to do it. I explained it last time that you had to do the video. And if you don't know, I posted a video. And then you just need to reply here. Let's do it. Reply here, and then you can click insert, and then insert image, and then you look for your image, and you get your screenshot, and you just put it there and submit it, and that'll be done. And then and post. Don't forget to click post. So that's what you have to do. Then I put here. Let's talk about finance. I put this information here in case that you need it to go on the Spanish.com page. Let's talk about final assessment. So I went to the final assessment, I was grading it, and I realized that you didn't do as good as I expected, and you probably expected. I don't know if there's a glitch on the book or what really messed up your grade, because I actually went there since I was in a rush to get it done before we got removed from the book or whatever was going to happen. I gave the points for the writing part and the speaking part. So I gave the points, and even with that, the grades were too low. So I said, well, let's do something else. So I came out with something else. So I did this video historia, and let me show you. This is how you're going to do your video historia. This is something that is going to include some of the vocabulary and the things that you saw for the chapter. I need you to complete each section. There are 5 sections. The first section is just your information. Please click on 8A. And then you just click here next and follow the directions. We are going to be connected, so you're going to ask me any questions you have. I'm not going to explain you more of this because it's very simple, self-explanatory. I put the video there. If your video is not working, I want you to tell me during the class so I can give you the link and you can go to the video. I recorded the video on a YouTube video. I hope that this works, and I know that you're going to get a better grade. I would like to go to the last part, because there is a tricky question in the last part. I wish this let me go with a hand to click. Let me just click it. All right, skip all that to get to the 4th activity. In the first activity, all the 3 activities, the previous activities are based on the video, right? So you watch the video, you answer those questions. But in this one, it's about yourself. So in the first one, you see me gusta, you just complete with something you like. A mí me gusta más, you complete with something that you really like. No me gusta, of course, you're going to put something you don't like. And a mí no me gusta ni, then you have to complete with 2 activities you don't like and use the right structure. Remember that we use ni, put in ni before the action, the activity that you don't like. Okay? So all this with vocabulary that you are supposed to know and that you were supposed to learn from last chapter, because we're about to start our new chapter. And that's it for now. I'll see you. Oh no, wait, that's not it. All right, so that's it. Then the second part of your work today is to record presentation. So this is how you're going to record your presentation. I am going to, I put there that you can record media. I'm going to put in student view so you see how it's going to look from your own perspective. And when I open this and I click submit assignment, my option is to record media. So I'm going to record what I'm going to record, and I'm going to click here, and this is going to have a camera. Mine is using the camera for this video right now, and that's why you don't see it. But yours is going to have your video here. You're going to record. What do I need to record, Mrs. Bass? Okay, well, you go to your project 6, and you see what you have here. So you're going to start with this. You're going to say greeting. So, hola, and then you're going to introduce yourself. Me llamo señora Bass. A mí me gusta usar la computadora. Me gusta mucho bailar y cantar. no me gusta nada, ni leer revistas, ni correr. Adiós. So that is your presentation. If you remember from the video how the people introduce, that's basically what they do. And you're going to use the information you have in Project 6. That's going to help you with your presentation. You record your video and then you post your video right here. Once you have your video, you save it and then you click Submit Assignment and that'll be done. So that is what you are submitting today. As always, I'll be here to answer all the questions you have. You have those 2 activities to complete today, plus the warm-up. I'll see you during class. Adios.